Welcome to Spice and Easy Kitchen, Eggplant Recipes. Today we will present a method for eggplant. Before I start with you, I hope that you are well and in good health. I will take 1 or 2 eggplants here and I will cut them in this shape like this. I will cut them in this shape like rounds with a thickness like this a little bit. I will cut the eggplant in this shape. I add a little salt here. After cutting it, I put it in this container. Then I will mix it like this and leave it for 15 minutes or 10 minutes, meaning it will release its bitter water. Then I will come back to you. Now the eggplant has released water, as you saw. Now I will go wash it from that black water it releases. There it is settled at the bottom here. Then I will go wash this eggplant with that salt and then drain it a little. I will leave it to drain in a strainer and then dry it with a towel or with paper. Paper towels, whatever you prefer. Now I will dry this eggplant, meaning any remaining water in it, remove it and dry it well. I take a frying pan and put in it about 1 to 4 tablespoons of traditional oil because eggplant absorbs some oil. Then I will start sautéing this eggplant like this. Then I keep stirring like this, stirring from time to time. Then I will cover it, and every time I remove the lid and stir a little, like this for about 15 minutes, until it is cooked and browned, and I will come back to you in this moment when that eggplant is cooked. I have celery stalks here, meaning if the stalks are thick, use 4. If they are thin like this, use about 6, because this is very thin. Then I will cut them like this. And the onion, so I do not make the video too long, I have 2 small onions, small ones, and cut them also in this shape like this. In this shape like this. The eggplant is now cooked. I will go put it in a container. In the same frying pan I added again 1 or 2 tablespoons of traditional oil. Add the onion. And the celery stalks. Then I will saute them like this. It is necessary to stir from time to time, including the onion. I have about 18 pieces here of cherry tomatoes. Then I will cut them lengthwise like this. The onion has softened, and I will add about 50 grams of olives. You can use pitted olives. I have homemade olives, which is why I prepared them, by hand a little. And I have about 40 grams of capers here. Add the tomato. As for the olives, if you have pitted olives, it is better. I will add some salt. Then I will leave it for about 10 minutes to south like this. I will cover it and stir it from time to time. I have 2 tablespoons of honey here. If you do not have honey, use sugar. 2 tablespoons of sugar. I have here half a lemon. If it is juicy, use half a lemon. This lemon did not have much juice, so use the whole one to get this amount. And I have here 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. I used 1 teaspoon and added a little water and mixed it until it became 2 tablespoons. Now I will add this lemon. If you want to use vinegar, use it. I did not want to use vinegar. I try to use everything natural. Then I will mix this honey with this lemon. Then add this, meaning the tomato paste, which equals 2 tablespoons. As I told you, just 1 teaspoon mixed with a little water so that it became 2 tablespoons, so do not add too much. Now I will stir this sauce. It is what I will add to this eggplant mixture. Now I will add the eggplant that I prepared earlier. Add this mixture of honey, tomato, and lemon. Let the sauce soak into it like this. And I will turn off the heat. I will leave it for another minute or 2 like this so that the sauce penetrates it. Now our eggplant is ready. I added a spoonful of basil, 2 tablespoons of cashews. If you have pine nuts, use them. If not, just use cashews because they are the closest in taste to pine nuts. Then I will leave it just a little, 1 more minute, then turn off the heat. Our eggplant is ready. What a flavor and what an aroma coming out! Wow! Just try this eggplant in this way. Now Eid is coming, and you may like to put beside the table some things that are different from the usual. And I have given you many eggplant recipes that are different from the usual methods. I hope today's recipe pleases you. Now I will turn off the heat and we will meet with the final presentation. Here is our eggplant. I placed it in the serving dish and decorated it with a little cashew, still cut into small pieces. I hope today's recipe pleases you. Just try this recipe. It turns out wonderful and delicious. It has a mixture of sourness and sweetness, and the cashews in it and all the ingredients together give a flavor that is absolutely wonderful. Just try this recipe and I hope it will please you. I wish you a happy life, and until the next video.